If you're a current Reaktion user who advertises your products across the Google Shopping network and you're not using our Shoptimizer feature, then you're seriously missing out. In this video, I'm going to explain exactly what our Shoptimizer feature is and how you can use it to grow your Google Ads shopping campaigns. Essentially, our Shoptimizer feature allows you to upload a supplemental feed to your Google Merchant Center, which then creates custom labels based on criteria that you set within Reaktion. For example, you can set your top performers within Reaktion by setting the criteria as any products over 300% profit on ad spend. Any products that satisfy that criteria will then automatically be pulled through to the custom label. Within Google Ads, you simply then enable that custom label within your dedicated campaign, and you can have a top performers campaign which dynamically pulls through your products based on recent performance. It doesn't stop there either. We also allow you to pull through products for things such as the most recently updated products on your website, discounted products, high return rate products, no-click products. All of these can be pulled through into custom labels to streamline your Google Shopping management. How exactly you can create one of these feeds and custom labels is by heading over to our Shoptimizer feature and then Labelizer. You will then create a custom label feed, input the name of your feed, so in this case TP for top performers, and then select the web shop for which the feed will be for. If you use any third-party provider for your feed, we then recommend that you copy and paste your XML feed into this box here so that we accurately pull through all your product IDs from your third-party provider into Reaktion. You then click Save and Next, and here you will be able to create the custom label. You have an option of 4 custom labels, as you do within Google Merchant Center, and you can name your first product label. So for example, we can go again TP for top performers. For top performers, you can then select item Google Shopping POAS as the subject, select your period, so last 7, last 30, or last 90 days. The operator, so more than. So in this case, we've chosen the value of 3. So this sets the criteria that any products which have a profit on ad spend within Google Ads over the last 30 days would be pulled through to this custom label group. You can also, of course, do this for your lower performing products. So instead of POAS more than 3, you could set it for POAS below 1. And that means that all your products that are unprofitable can be placed into a campaign which maybe doesn't spend much budget or can be completely excluded from your shopping campaigns. We also, as I mentioned, offer the option to pull through items on sale, variants in stock level, as well as things like item created X days ago or the cost of goods sold. This means that you can create 5 campaigns for top performers, for recently uploaded or new products, discounted products, high return rate products, and plenty more options there as you've just seen. All of this streamlines your Google Shopping management. Instead of having to constantly enable or disable individual products, whether it be because they've stopped performing or because they're no longer a new product, all of this will be done automatically for you by Reaktion. You simply save the product label group, generate the product label feed, select the width as well as the matching strategy, generate the feed, and then you can copy and paste the feed link into your supplemental feed within Merchant Center. That concludes how you can utilize our Shoptimizer feature to streamline your Google Ads shopping campaigns. I definitely recommend giving this a go, trialing out the different types of campaigns and custom labels that you can create, whether it be as simple as top performers or maybe targeting high margin products, products in which you have high stock that you need to get rid of. I definitely recommend testing and trialing which sort of custom labels work for you. Not only does it streamline things, but it also helps improve performance, as a product which is left in a top performers campaign for one too many days can cost you a lot of budget if the budget allocated to that campaign is high and Google's going on a bit of a spending spree on that particular product. So streamlines your campaign management and also boosts performance by efficiently moving your products in and out of campaigns based on the criteria that you set. We'd love to hear any examples that you have of how you've utilized our Shoptimizer feature and some of the results that you've seen from the feature itself.